Hello, Uli Galooly. We'd like to see the exhibition, please.
Is there a tour we can take?
Oh, yes, there is.
Ooh.
Now that we're in the exhibition room, feel free to speak normally.
Great.
Cool.
This is the first painting.
I didn't expect it to be so small.
I believe you'd almost miss it.
Indeed, but take a closer look.
Whoa! It shimmers and sparkles. I didn't notice that on the Giz Globe.
Yes, this is a detail you cannot see on the screen. Great, isn't it?
Oh, I had no idea this artwork was so thick. It must have taken years to paint this.
Indeed, the artist was quite tired when they finished. They slept for 2 whole weeks.
Well, this painting looks almost the same as it did online.
Ah, yes, but now take a deep sniff.
It smells like Giznanas.
Yum!
Sniff, sniff. It's making me hungry, and I don't eat.
That's exactly the reaction the artist wanted. This is the Cube Gizm portrait. The artist is trying to get you to think about
How this Uli really looks.
indeed, but also feels.
What?
Oh yes, this is an interactive piece. That means the artist wants you to touch it. So, go on.
It feels silky, like real hair.
This feels springy, like...
The Uli's favorite dessert, sponge cake. The artist was having fun exploring the whole personality of the Uli.
Whoa. Oh, I'm so happy we came here.
Me too. It was interesting to see the paintings online, but totally different to see them for real.
What's wrong, Alva?
It'd be such a pity if the other Ulis miss seeing these.
I agree.
If only there was a way we could spread the word about how great it is to see the art in person, as well as online.
Posters! Get your posters of the exhibition!
Oh, I saw these paintings online. I'd love a poster for my apartment.
Me too! Glump, one of our troll schemes has finally worked!
I can't believe I'm about to say this, but I'm feeling happy!
Huh? We'll stop it and get selling!
Wait!
Oh, we were so close! Wait, we have permission to sell these, Alva. We're doing nothing wrong.
I know, and I don't want you to stop selling them.
Huh? I'm so confused right now.
Look!
Huh?
I think that every Uli should go and see the exhibition for real.
But I saw the paintings online.
Yeah, why would I want to see them again?
Because then you discover that this painting is teeny tiny, but it sparkles. And this one is so heavy, it needs 100 nails to hang it on the wall. And this one makes you hungry just looking at it. And this one feels incredible.
How does a painting do that?
Why don't you go and see? The art gallery is in the Gizmo archives. Just there.
Ooh, I'm gonna take a look.
Happiness gone.
Don't worry, Glump. They'll be back. We'll just wait here for them.
Or might I suggest you go and see the art exhibition? Perhaps you'll get more ideas for things to sell in your gift store.
Wow, now that's a good idea.
Well done, Alva and Mo. Oh my. Uli Galooly is truly Uli happy.
That's great. She should be proud of the art gallery. It was so interesting. But now it's time for us to go.
Thanks for exploring the art gallery with me today.
Oh, I had so much fun looking at the art. I can't wait for the next exhibition. Bye, Uli Palm.
Bye, Alva. Bye, Mo.
Okay, Mo, time to go.